Hi, I'm Mike from 3 Brick Friends. This is the second of our tutorials based on our British Telephone Box creation. It's a scene of a street, a typical street in the UK where there's a bench and a 20s style telephone box. If you haven't seen the other tutorial, there'll be a link at the end and a link to the actual mock. So in this video I'm going to discuss the design of the bench. Okay, the bench is a slightly different design. It's all Technic axles and connectors. I've built it like this to give it a slight iron feel. So this is it. So it's all done with black axles and connectors. The downside to this, I should specify, is the bottom pieces. If you were going to put it in your city, you would need to put it on a Technic plate with a hole in the middle so that you could connect that through. Otherwise, it doesn't connect on a normal stud because of the axle point. But that's okay. For mock building, not everything has to be stuck down. You can get away with that. So I'll start taking bits off this and I'll show you how I've built it. Hopefully it'll be okay to see. I know it's difficult sometimes to see black pieces. Let's go for it. So first of all, we'll take all those off. Okay, so the main base of the bench is two of these axle pieces alternating through the middle. I've used a 1x3 connector. It has connectors on either side and a hole through the middle. That's fine, the hole through the middle is not important. So I've done it connector, then I've put two of these pieces alternating through. So through the centre of that you can slide the third bar, and then to connect all that together, this is just purely a 2 long axle connected into these connectors. So you connect that onto your centrepiece, slide it through, and then connect the other side with the same setup. So that creates 2 out of 3 of the base pieces. Nice and sturdy. So the back is done exactly the same way. It's a 5 length of axle and then these connectors pinned together with a 2 length axle. Okay. So you connect that onto one end just for convenience, and then connect it onto there at a right angle to the other pieces. And then on the other side you secure it with the connectors. And there you go, that's the bench. It's a fairly simple structure, but it did take me quite a while to get it right, to get a reasonable proportion for a minifigure or a mini doll to sit on. I think it works nicely. It's only a sturdy piece. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. The links on the screen at the moment connect to the tutorial for the telephone box and the original video showing the whole creation. And thanks very much. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.